Hello. Last video we speak about we make this animation zoom in, and this is part 3. First video we make the zoom in. Second video part 2 I show you how to make zoom in down and zoom in left. Today I will show you how we can do zoom in right and zoom in up. So it's only about some values, or maybe we will use some extra properties, or we will delete some properties. So we have in basic HTML all what we need, just one div. You can apply this animation to any element in your page, but for now I do it for one element. I center this element by using flexbox. I give the height 100% to HTML and body. I give the body display flex and the text margin auto, and this is all what you need to center it or to do perfect center. So you don't need any unnecessary CSS or complicated CSS. So today, and this is for the animation. This is some styling, and this is for the animation. You have animation name. We get it from here. We give it a name. For the animation code, we write it here inside the keyframes. So, and this is the duration. So we'll start with, as you can see here, this is zoom in left. So let's make zoom in right. It's already now left. Let's make zoom in right. So what we need the 1000 to be plus, not minus. So we just delete the minus here. Let's to see all the code. And the value here, we will keep it the same, 01, 01, 01. For the animation time function QBZir, we will keep it also the same, so exactly the same. So we change only here from minus to plus. For the second section, we'll keep it 60% also. And as you noticed up, we just change from minus to plus, the translate 3D. And here we have 10, so we will make it opposite, minus 10. And the values down here, we will keep it the same. So it's extremely easy, just it's left, so you just need to make this value and this value opposite. Like this, for example, this was minus 1000 when you make it to left. If you want to make it to right, you need only make it plus 1000. And this value, it was 10 plus when it was on left, and now on right we make it minus 10. So if we save, we should show the animation coming from the right. So, and it's coming from the right to the center. And this is all what you need to do. Only change this and this value to make it from left to right. So this is, if you make it minus, and this is make it plus and save, it will become opposite, coming from left to right. So this is how we make it from right or left. And now we will see up, how to make zoom in up. And actually, if you remember from the first or second video, we make zoom in down, so it's exactly the same, but we make exactly this value and this value here, we make it opposite, from minus to plus or from plus to minus. So here it was 0 actually, and here it was minus 1000, so we needed 1000 plus because it was minus. Here everything stayed the same. Here it was also 0, and it was 60. So what we need to make it minus 60. So this is from down to up. So this is zoom in up. So if we save, you can see it's coming from down to up. And this is zoom in up. And as I mentioned before, all what you need to make this two value opposite. So if we make this minus and this plus, it will become zoom in down, from top or from up to down. And if we make it again opposite and we save, it becomes from down to up. So this one's also easy animation, and all what you need, just change some values here. Sometimes only reverse from minus to plus or from plus to minus, and you get like completely new animation, or only different direction. Actually, it's still zoom in, but we have 4 direction, 5 actually. We have zoom in, we have zoom in left, zoom in right, zoom in down, and zoom in up. So just to make quick review what we use in this video, we make or we use just HTML and CSS. This is all what you need. You don't need any JavaScript. This is pure CSS animation. So HTML only to show you or display something in the DOM or in the page. So I use only one tag, Steve, and give him class text. In CSS, I center this by giving the body on HTML 100% height, and display flex to the body, and margin auto to the element, which is the div have class text. And we did some styling here, just some box shadow, text shadow, some budding. And for animation, we create the animation here by using keyframes. We give it a name and we write the code here. And we use the name which we give to the animation here. We use it an animation name on the element which we want to give him, or we want to animate it. So we use the animation name here. The animation duration, it's 1 second. You can play with it, you can make it faster, you can make it slower. And the animation iteration count, which I put it infinity, so it will keep repeating the animation. You can put it 1 or twice or whatever you want. For speed, for example, if you put it 2 seconds, it will become so slow, as you can see. on the left side of the screen. As it's become slow, you can make it like extremely fast. This is half second, and I will put it back to 1 second. I think it's 1 second is the best. You can put it 1 second and half. It depends how you want to do it. I hope you like this animation, and you can watch new animation almost every week. I will make something similar to this kind of animation, only using HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching.